What's up? It's your main man, Rellz. Welcome back to the channel and another episode of Griffs Garage. Today we got an amazing project going on. You see, we are out here and we got a bad car behind us right there. And this is the owner. What's your name, brother?
My name's Tony.
Okay, now what kind of car you got?
I got a 2018 Dodge Charger Scat Pack 392.
Hey, and he's already got some graphics done on it. I don't even want to show it to you all the way right now. You know what? I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like, you know, before, so I can do the comparison before and after. But it's an amazing car, you know what I mean? And he's getting some amazing work done here at Griffs Garage. So I'm gonna let my main man Griff tell you exactly what he's gonna do. All right, guys. So I got the man, the myth, the legend here. If you're in Charlotte area, you know who he is if you got any kind of vinyl done on your car, because I'm pretty sure he's probably done it, you know what I mean? So Griff, with the, I called him Griff, named Jeremy, but Griff's Garage. Yeah, we got a 392 here. So what do you plan on doing to this Dodge Charger 392 today?
Okay, so he came back, he wanted the Scat B. So, you know, we took what you would normally see, the Scat B that you see, and we're going a little bit bigger with it, and then we're also going to experiment with some of the pinstriping that he's got on his stripes. We're going to try to incorporate a little bit of that into the B itself to make it, you know, unique.
Gotcha. You going, so when you say, like, I've seen the Scat B on the Chargers before,
yeah,
but your Scat B is going to be a little bit different. It's going to stand out a little bit more, specifically because of size, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, you see the traditional Scat Bs, you know, they're pretty much, you know, they go down to like right before the rocker panels, and they kind of stop. I like to take mine and take it all the way down.
All the way down.
It just makes it look like it's more a part of the car.
Absolutely. And not just the door.
Yeah, not just the door, but you know, kind of coming out.
Absolutely.
Just, you know, in size too. You know, the bigger, you know, if you're trying to be loud, bigger is always better.
Oh, absolutely, yeah. So I can't wait to see what this car is gonna look like, guys. And by the way, you see Jeremy has on his Griffs Garage gear. He's got the hat, he's got the windbreaker jacket, and you see I got my shirt too, y'all. You know what I mean? So major shout out to Griffs Garage for hooking me up with that. Contact them on Instagram if you want to get a hold of your Griffs Garage shirt, hat, or whatever they got everything on there. So
yeah, we can do special orders too if you want them.
That's what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? He could do special orders. So make sure you contact them on Instagram, and you know I'll make sure I put that on the screen somewhere so you guys can go and follow them. Make sure you follow them on Instagram. Tell them Rellz sent you, you know. So we're about to let Jeremy get to work here at Griffs Garage, and of course you guys know I'm going to give you that cinematic reel by Rellz. You know, remember that cinematic reel by Rellz. That's going to be a famous name here soon. So we're going to let him get to work, and of course I'm going to show you guys the process, and then of course at the end you're going to get that cinematic reel by Rellz. So we're going to see y'all in just a couple minutes. What's up, guys? Hey, welcome back. Hey, we had another amazing job, as you can see behind me, at Griffs Garage with my guy Jeremy. He brings these masterpieces to life, not just the simple graphics, you know. He takes the owner's vision and he brings it to life. Of course, we got the owner right here. You know, you seen him a little earlier. So tell me, what do you think about the car now?
Oh man, it came out amazing. Looks great. Griff put his touch on it again, and I'm thoroughly happy. And it makes it look like a whole new car.
Exactly, because this isn't the first time he touched the car, because he did the stripes on your car.
Yes, sir.
You guys know you're going to get that cinematic reel by Rellz, and I'm going to show you all of the details on the car. But you can see this B right here. This was the main project today, along with a couple of the minor touches that he did, and you guys are going to see those as well. So Jeremy, just talk to me about the B that you did.
Okay, so like we discussed before, went oversized B because obviously you want to incorporate the wheel, make sure it's part of the B. So the best way to do that is make it bigger, that way you can kind of slide it back into it, make it look proportional to the vehicle. And then, just playing with it, want to take some of the white pinstripes that he's got on the stripes and kind of incorporate it in it, So we kind of played with it and kind of winged, put a nice, kind of border around it and put some like little subtle accents into it to try to make it pop a little bit more.
Absolutely, man, it's amazing. And I spoke with Jeremy earlier. You see a lot of Bs on these Dodge Chargers, the Scat Pack versions. They're a little bit smaller, and I think the proportion, in my opinion, is a little off. But what Jeremy was able to do, he was able to stretch this because the wheel to the car is supposed to be the Scat B wheel. So I think this is a great proportion for this car, for this graphic, So it's all about attention to detail when you're doing things like that. Jeremy just could have gave him a basic B and be done, but at Griffs Garage, that's not how it goes down, because you will see on the car, this car has been branded by Griffs Garage down here, a lower front rock side skirt. So it's amazing, you guys. I'm sure this video is going to make it look amazing, but to actually see it in person, the way the sun is hitting this thing right now, if you got a car that needs any kind of vinyl graphics done, make sure you contact Griffs Garage. You will not be disappointed, because you guys know I'm about to show you exactly what I'm talking about when I give you that slow-mo footage that I always do. So you guys sit back and just get some popcorn, something to drink, and relax, because it's about to get real cinematic right about now.